Hey guys, I'm gonna make you a simple pasta dish today. It's going to be chicken and shrimp that I'm gonna add as my meat. I have my ingredients ready as usual. There's my chicken and my shrimp. I have my cheeses ready, my butter that I will saute my seasonings in, and I have my heavy cream because I'm going to make an Alfredo, a light Alfredo sauce with this penne rigatti pasta. So I will make this for you. It's going to be quick and simple, quick and easy. Just sit back and enjoy. Okay, sauteing my seasonings because I want my pasta kind of colorful today. Usually you don't have to use so much of the different colors of the bell peppers and the red onions, but you can if you want to, if you want it more spicy. I like to cook them so that they're nice and soft in the pasta itself. I've added my chicken and shrimp and I'm gonna toss that up for about 5 to 8 minutes just until cooked, and then I will keep you posted. I've added a little bit of my mango jerk sauce that I've been using to cook everything. It's amazing. This sauce, you need to have some of this. It's really, really good. It makes the food really taste so great, like so different. So I just added a little of my mango sauce and I'm just tossing that around. It's almost cooked, and then I will take you to the next stage. Okay, it's time to add my heavy cream to the pot so I can make the base of my sauce, because I'm going to add the rigatti to this after as well and mix everything in. So I want this to simmer for just a little, like about a minute or so, just so the chicken and the shrimp can absorb some of that heavy cream flavor. And then I'm going to add my cheese and then my pasta. Okay, it's simmering. I actually went ahead and added a little bit of my garlic spread to it so I can get a little bit more of my garlic flavor. You don't have to, it's optional, and I'll keep you posted, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm adding my cheese, adding my cream cheese, and I'm actually adding my cheddar and my mozzarella. And then that is going to melt and create nice sauce for my pasta to be added. It's another Italian night, guys. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I love it. Okay, it's time to add my pasta. So I'll go ahead and pour that in, and then I'll mix everything in together and serve. Guys, I wish you could actually taste this. Oh my god. The good thing is that I'm not putting on weight, so you know, my friends tell me. So even though I'm cooking all this nice food, not putting on any weight, fat is not in. But this is awesome. Oh my god, I wish you could actually taste it. So I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna serve you the meal shortly. Enjoy, guys. I'm so happy you're watching. Oh my god. Guys, here we are. Our chicken and shrimp rigatti. This is just beautiful, both in appearance and taste. Guys, I really wish you could taste this through this digital platform. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching.